This video is going to cover engine timing. We're using our shop car. It's a Geo Metro, and it has a distributor ignition system. Just giving you a brief anatomy of the distributor ignition system. Here we have what's called our coil. It supplies the energy for our spark plugs. This is our distributor. Off of our distributor are our spark plug wires. This is a 3-cylinder car. Our spark plug wires then go and clip onto the ends of our spark plugs, as you can see in the block here. Here is our crankshaft with timing marks. This is our spark plug. Voltage will travel through the end, through the center, out the center electrode to our side electrode, and ground on the threads in the engine block. It's insulated with porcelain. So our voltage travels through the center, out the center electrode, to the side electrode, then grounds in the threads into the engine block. Here's a better look at the timing marks on our crankshaft. That white dash will move as I move the distributor to set timing. There's marks above between 0, 10, and 20. I will move the distributor till the white mark is in the proper position and my timing is set. Next, I'll be setting up the timing light. Setting up the timing light is like setting up the battery charger. Hook the positive and negative terminals to the battery and clip the clamp to the number 1 spark plug wire. As you can see, the induction clamp is on the number 1 spark plug wire. This vehicle also has timing instructions, which you can see here. We're going to be setting it at 8 degrees before top dead center, and I have also bridged the connection in order to adjust timing. Now you can see the timing light flashing. It's a little bit challenging to see the marks on the crankshaft corresponding with the indications on the timing cover. But every now and then you'll see that white tick, and I want to move that at 8 degrees before top dead center. Here you can see the timing light, and this is the distributor. I will move it clockwise or counterclockwise in order to effect timing on the engine. Once set, I will lock down those screws, and I'm done. Simply reverse the procedure and remove the timing light, and the vehicle is good to go.